The terrifying incident unfolded inside Manhattan's 14th Street Union Square subway station just after 10 a.m. on Friday. The New York City Police Department said first responders observed several sick passengers vomiting and coughing violently after an unknown substance, which was identified as pepper spray, was released during a fight on the subway car. Cops say one passenger pepper sprayed another, which resulted in people trying to flee the station. The FDNY said they received reports about a suspect spraying maize on the platform. Someone sprayed something in the air and people started vomiting left and right.